Hi, everyone. Oh, it's really nice to have you here. Thank you for spending this moment with us. And I'm Lucy. Yeah, we're very happy you're listening today.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to English Talk Studio. I'm Tom. This is a calm space. A place to learn slowly. No pressure at all.
That's right. You don't need to be perfect here. You can just listen and feel comfortable.
I think sometimes English can feel a little heavy.
And if that happens, that's okay. You're not doing anything wrong.
So maybe take a small breath with us.
Relax a little. You're exactly where you need to be.
Okay, let's begin together.
So, Tom, you look quite relaxed today.
Yeah, I think I am. Kind of enjoying the day.
I can see that. It feels like one of those calm days.
That's true. Nothing rushed, nothing too loud.
Yeah, sometimes that's really nice.
Hmm. I like moments like this, when things feel simple.
I know what you mean. You can slow down a little.
And you notice small things. Sounds, smells, people around you.
Yes, those small moments matter.
I think today feels like a good day to talk.
Yeah, there's something nice about it.
Well, let's stay in this calm mood.
And see where it takes us.
Okay, so now let's talk about today's focus.
Hmm. Yes. Today, we're practicing English in a very common place.
You know, a place we all visit every week, sometimes even every day.
You go there, you buy food, you look for things.
And sometimes you need to ask small questions,
Yeah, simple questions, nothing long.
like, where is the milk? Or, how much is this?
Just clear words. Very everyday English.
Hmm. And I think this is a moment many learners feel a little nervous.
That's true. You understand the words, but speaking feels harder.
But that's okay. We don't need perfect English here.
Exactly. We just need simple words, a calm voice, and a bit of confidence.
So, in this episode, we'll practice English you can really use. No pressure, no rush.
Step by step. Slowly. Like that. Just real English for real life. Okay. Before we go on, let's slow down for a moment.
Yeah. Just take a small breath with us. I think this is a good time to reset your mind a little. And you're learning, even right now.
There's no need to hurry. You're here. You're listening. That's already enough.
So, imagine this. You're standing somewhere familiar.
Not rushing. Not feeling nervous.
Just you and very simple English. Slowly, calmly. Just real, clear English you can use.
Hmm. We're going to practice step by step. No pressure, no stress. Okay, let's move on together.
Okay. Now we really start practicing. You are inside a supermarket. You see shelves around you, food everywhere.
Just imagine this. You walk in slowly, nothing rushed. Colors, labels, people moving.
You take a basket, or maybe a cart. This is usually the first moment people feel a little nervous. Signs on the walls, words on packages.
And you begin to look around. Yeah, because English is all around you. People talking near you.
But that's okay. You don't need to understand everything. Let's start with something very simple.
Not now. Not yet. Looking for one thing.
Maybe you want milk.
But you don't see it.
So you ask a worker nearby.
First, you say something important.
You say, "Excuse me."
That phrase is very polite, very safe.
Then you ask, "Where is the milk?"
That's it. Simple. Clear.
You don't need long sentences.
Just those words are enough.
The worker might answer, "It's over there."
Or they might say, aisle 5.
Maybe you don't understand the word aisle.
That's okay.
You can look. You can point
Or just smile a little.
and say, "Oh, okay, thank you."
Yes. Always say thank you.
Good, you did it.
That was your first step.
Okay. Now you're already inside. You're calm. Now let's try something else.
You've asked one question already. That feels good. You see fruit in front of you.
Apples, bananas, oranges.
You want to know the price.
So you can ask, "How much is this?"
That sentence is very useful.
You can also point while you speak.
Pointing helps a lot.
If there are many items, you can say, "How much are these?"
But don't worry too much about that.
People will understand you.
The worker might answer slowly.
They might say, "It's $2."
Or maybe $3 a kilo?
Maybe you don't understand every word.
That's okay.
You can listen for the number.
Numbers are easier to catch.
And then you can say, "Okay."
Or, that's fine.
Very calm, very natural.
You don't need more words.
If you don't want it, you can just smile.
And say, okay, thank you.
No stress. No explanation needed. This is how understanding grows.
You're doing great already. Little by little.
Okay. Now you're ready for the last step. But it's actually very simple.
This is the moment many people worry about. You walk to the cashier.
You put your items on the counter.
Slowly. No rush.
The cashier looks at you and says, "Hello."
Or maybe, how are you?
You don't need a long answer.
You can just say, hi.
Or, "I'm good, thank you."
Short answers are perfect.
Then the cashier scans your items.
Beep. Beep.
Yes, that sound.
After that, they tell you the price.
That's $10.
You listen for the number.
You don't need to repeat it.
You can just say, okay.
If you pay by card, you say, "By card, please."
If you pay with cash, cash please.
Both are very normal.
Then the cashier may ask, do you need a bag?
That's a very common question.
You can answer, yes please.
Or, "No, thank you."
Both are polite.
At the end, the cashier says, "Have a nice day."
And you answer, thank you. You too.
That's it. You paid. You spoke English. Hmm. Actually, you did great.
You're finished. And nothing bad happened. Every time you do this, you feel a little stronger,
A bit calmer.
a bit more confident.
This is real English.
Simple English for real life. Okay. Let's pause here for a moment. So far, we've practiced real English you can actually use.
Yeah. This is a good time to take a small breath. Very simple English. Nothing heavy.
You learned how to ask for help.
Like saying, "Excuse me."
And then asking, "Where is the milk?" And polite.
Short. Clear. We also talked about prices.
How much is this? Or how much are these?
And remember, it doesn't have to be perfect.
If people understand you, that's what really matters.
Then we practice the cashier part.
Saying hello. Paying. Answering small questions.
Like, do you need a bag?
And you can answer, "Yes, please." Or, "No, thank you."
Small answers are strong answers.
Exactly. You don't need long sentences
Just calm words.
and a calm voice.
One more thing to remember.
Confidence grows slowly.
Every visit helps.
Every small try counts.
So if you're listening right now,
You're already doing something right.
yeah, keep going. Before we move on, let's talk about something important.
Yes. Not words. Not sentences.
But how you feel when you speak English.
I think many people feel nervous in real places.
Especially in places like the supermarket.
People are waiting. You feel a bit rushed.
And maybe you think, oh, what if I say it
That feeling is normal.
really normal?
Everyone starts this.
Every confident speaker was once a beginner.
They felt shy,
They made mistakes.
and that's okay.
Mistakes don't mean failure.
They mean you're trying.
You don't need perfect English.
You just need real English.
A small question, like, where is the milk?
A simple answer. Or just, "Thank you."
That is already enough. Practice comes first.
Confidence doesn't come first. And confidence grows.
A little each time you try. That's okay.
So if your heart feels fast sometimes, take a small breath.
Slow down.
You're doing better than you think.
Okay. Now we want to hear from you.
Yes, this is your moment.
Think about the supermarket near you.
The one you know well.
Maybe you go there every week.
Or maybe every day.
What do you usually buy there?
Milk? Fruit?
Bread? Just think for a second.
Now, write one small sentence in the comments.
It can be very simple.
For example, I buy apples.
Or, I buy bread and milk.
That's perfect. And maybe, have you ever spoken English in the supermarket?
Short English is good English. Even one small sentence counts.
You can write, I asked for milk.
Or just, I said thank you.
That's really nice. Mistakes are welcome here.
And don't worry about mistakes. This is a safe place to practice.
We read your comments, and every time you write,
Yes, we really do. Your English grows a little more.
so take a moment.
And write one small sentence below.
Okay, we're almost at the end now. We just want to say this.
Yeah. And before we go, you did really well today.
You stayed with us. You practiced, even if only in your mind.
You listened. And that matters.
Today, you heard real English. English you can actually use in real life.
Simple English. And remember,
You don't need perfect English.
you just need one small try. One moment of courage.
One sentence. Maybe today.
Maybe tomorrow.
But step by step, your English grows.
And if this episode helped you even a little,
That makes us very happy.
you can like this video and subscribe to the channel.
That helps us keep making calm, real English for you.
And in the next episode,
We'll practice more real-life English.
new situations,
New, simple phrases.
the same calm pace.
So stay with us.
Keep practicing.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Take care.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.